Yeah, hello there, my name's Lee, and I'm here today to just tell you about what Dan and his team have done for us here in Darlington. So as you can see behind me, large solar array, 30 panels. These are Eco 3Ps, so about 485 watts per panel, about 14 kilowatts in total in generation. They've also put in three 9.24 kilowatt SIG Energy batteries, a 12 kilowatt inverter, a gateway and a SIG Energy car charger. So a full SIG Energy system really. I'm more than delighted about the system, to be truthful with you. Not just the installation, which has been great, very easy and straightforward. Took the lads essentially 2 days to do. I'm maybe a little bit too excited about the system at the moment because it is around the solstice, so you know, we've got a maximum amount of sun we could possibly get really over the last few days, but the system's been absolutely incredible so far. It's going to be really good, and it's going to basically get me to where I want to be, which is zero electricity bills. Next stage will be a heat pump. Dan and his team do these also, so he's going to come round and do some calculations, find out exactly what we need in terms of changing radiators and other bits and pieces, but that'll be the next step. The solar system and the battery system were sized accordingly. They were sized to be able to accommodate that. But you know, the overall requirement here really is to get down to zero energy bills, or as close to. So that's basically including our usage and some export. We had a few quotations before it started. I wanted somebody local to do the job. Dan's been brilliant from day one, very patient, even to the point where I decided I wanted solar skirts on my solar panels. And that was done really last minute, and he got that sorted out for me. Lads are on with doing that right now. Scaffolding comes down on Monday, and that's the installation completely done and commissioned. And just a fantastic company all round. Couldn't recommend them enough, to be honest with you. And I will be. So yeah, thanks to Dan, thanks to Jason, thanks to Bailey. Fantastic job, guys. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you soon to do the heat pump and maybe some more solar on this garden room that I've got here as well.